Good day. My name is Nkosana Carlos. Okay, today we're going to look at point of sale reports. Okay, so there's two types of point of sale reports. Let's go straight to it. So we'll go to point of sale. Okay, then the reports are under point of sale reports, but you can only print reports as an administrator or point of sale manager. So make sure you've got your user settings set up right first. The first report we're going to look at is the simple date filtered report. So we can filter the report by day, month, year, weekly. It's up to you. So we go to sale details. And then I'll set my start date and say, okay, I want the report from the 1st of September. Okay, and the time, I say we start our business at 8 o'clock. So I'll set it to 8 o'clock. Okay. Okay, so I've got the 1st of September, 8 o'clock. And the end date will be the 10th of September 2020. So 10th, and then again I set the time. And we say maybe we end at 5. So we set the time to 5 o'clock. Okay, there's only one point of sale session that we're using at the moment, that is main. If we had more than one, they'll all be listed on here. Okay, then all I do is go print. Okay, just need to save this file, but no need, I'll just open it up. Okay, there we go. We've got our sale details from the 1st of September, but now the time it's giving me here is 6 o'clock. That is when we started the session, basically. So, and the 10 is 3 o'clock because we don't have any other sessions after 3 o'clock. So it's just estimating the time because there's nothing after that. Then it will give me a list of products that we sold. So at the moment, we only have one product and we sold two quantities, two of at 18 Rand per unit. This per unit price is on average. So if maybe the price went up by 5 Rand, it would give me an average of 18 Rand and 24 Rand, basically, depending on the number of items we had sold over that period. Okay, then payments. We only receive card payments of 36 Rand. If we do charge tax or VAT, our taxes will be on there. So it will tell us how the amount of VAT that was paid was basically, and of course, the total at the bottom. You can imagine if you've got a list of products, maybe an inventory of 2,000 products, that will mean you will have about 2,000 products on this page. Okay, that is it for the first report. Now, let's look at the second report. With the second report, we go to under reports, we got orders. Now, this is the report that I like because basically this report can give me more information on the product that we sold and I can filter it however I want. So if I say I want to say September, but I want it on a daily basis. Okay, then we only sold on the 8th of September. I say, okay, I'm happy we've got the 8th of September. I can also filter down to say, okay, I want product categories. Okay, we only have one product category, which is all. So now let's filter further down and say, I want to know who we sold the items to. Then it will say undefined. If we sold the products, like we keeping usernames and we're also keeping customer names, it will give me a list of all the customers that we sold all these products to. Okay, let's say now I want to see the point of sale session that was used. Okay, then it will give me main here. Okay, there we go. Let's filter down to say I want to see the salesperson. Okay, then it will give me the salesperson there. So if you want to see the warehouse, that's still fine because we do support multi-warehouse. So if you want to see which warehouse was used basically to pick that stock, you can check from there. So you can also filter down from the date basically and say you want to see the price list here, and then it gives you the public price list. If you've got different price lists, like you've got a reseller price list, public price list, and your favorite customers price list, they will all be here. And once I'm done with this report and I'm happy with it, I can download it, and then it will give me an Excel format. Let's save this file. We just want to see what it looks like. Then we open it up in Excel. Okay. There we go. Now I've got it on Excel. I can send it to my boss in Excel now. That is it. That is it with the reporting. So remember, point of sale, under reports, you've got orders where you can filter down to different categories, different usernames, different point of sale sessions. And we've got sale details. Basically, that gives you a summary of what you sold, how many you sold, and when you sold it, and the amount basically. So this you can also use, the sale details you can also use to cash out. So if maybe there was a cash out like that was done for the week, maybe you're not around for a week, you just want to see and balance all your books basically for a week, you can just put in the date, starting date, we say the 6th, that's beginning of the week, and time we find, say 8 o'clock. Then we move on to the ending. We say the week ended on the 11th, and the time 17:00, and then we print. So this will give us our weekly report basically, or your week's report. Okay, so we've got our week's report. To summarize again, if I want to see this report quick and easy, I can go to September and then week. Now it will give me week 37, that's the only week that we sold in. And if I want to filter down the day, then it will say the 8th of September because we only made one sale on the 8th of September, week 37, September 2020. Okay, that is it from Bits N Bytes. Thank you.